Let's find out before you start growing three-headed tomatoes. Ever wonder why buying a house feels like you are joining the FBI? Here's what you gotta do to avoid the real estate nightmare. Number one, title search. It's like stalking your country's Facebook, but for houses this time around. Make sure that beauty actually belongs to the seller and isn't secretly married to someone else, legally speaking, of course. Number two, property inspection. Time to channel your inner detective. Look for leaky roofs, wonky wiring, and any other nasties hiding in the walls. Trust me, you don't want your new home running into a water park every time it rains. Number three, environmental check. Is your future backyard secretly toxic, waste central? Let's find out before you start growing three-headed tomatoes. Number four, zoning review. Make sure your plans for a backyard disco aren't going to land you in hot water with the phone police, also known as local authorities. Remember, folks, a little detective work can save you from a world of pain later. Don't be the person who ends up on one of those home buying disaster TV shows. Need a real estate superhero to guide you through this maze? Look no further. This is landproperty.ng, your friendly neighborhood property guru in Lagos. Let's find your dream home together without the nightmares. My name is Adoni. Kindly like, follow, and subscribe to this channel. Cheers. See you later.